gonna try to get it? You only get one chance? Oh no, it took your money. No, that was a good one. What? Oh my goodness. That's a lot of tickets. Say cheese, look right here, look, Hey, Monty, look. Look at Mateo. If it don't give you that, hey! Oh, no, that's crazy. So hard. All the way up.
I'm gonna get this, right? I don't know which one to get. These.
Ah!
One thing and gave him 1,000 times.
Wow, but we gotta do this. All right. The next 2 swipes is gonna be on this game, but
I mean, the cowboy game gave us 215.
yeah. So if this one gives us more, because this one just in one thing they got 82. Oh wait, you said the other one gave 215. Oh, okay. Wow, look at all those tickets. Wow. Yeah. All right, buddy, let's do this. Yeah. Oh my God. Thank you so much. Wait, what? Are you guys leaving?
No, we're going. Oh yeah, we're not doing anything.
Oh my gosh. Thank you guys.
It's like 90.
Wow, buddy. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. These kids just walked up to me and was like, hey, do you guys want these?
Oh, for real?
Wow. So they just cashed out. Let's do it again. Let's give us 900. Go, quit playing with it. Go. What? We're playing with it. Go. We're playing with it. Go. Let's go. 900.
Hey, you got that on record, Enzo?
I got it right here on my glasses. Let's go, buddy. Happy birthday.
Oh, come on.
Quit. No, quit playing with him. Let's go. Quit playing with him. Hey, I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, you said swipe it twice. I called him. I said, watch him get 900 again.
Wow. It's going.
The bank like us. You happy, Enzo?
Yeah.
Good for a birthday, boy.
Okay, we got multiple stations going on. We got that one over here. Got this one about to be working over here.
Oh, it's counting.
Freedom. All right, Mom.
I'm just helping at the bottom. You got some?
This is the most tickets we ever won anywhere, period.
We're feeling like David Buster's over here.
The max is 50. Normally we just get like 100, 200.
Heading back to the room, tired. One way in, one way out of this. Got the pizza. Teo, use the rope. Use the rope, Teo. Go to the next one. Good job. Whoa, good job. Woo! Okay, one more, Teo. Woo-hoo! Oh, nice. Woohoo! That was like a handstand. Yeah. You guys are gonna ride?
Sure.
Wow, you guys are riding by yourselves? You guys are grown.
I always do this.
Okay, you guys look at me and say cheese. Do you guys know how to put your seatbelts on?
No idea.
No? Okay. All right, see y'all. I'll be right here. Oh, friendly reminder. Welcome back. I just put my feet up. That was quick. Say hi to my glasses.
Hi, glasses.
Oh, you guys let yourselves out, huh? Y'all got it?
Hey.
Okay. All right, let's go to the next ride. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It was okay.
It was okay. Well, you guys are about to go on the big roller coaster.
Yes, because I just went on the roller coaster, so nothing seems.
Yeah, you guys go on that. We'll probably go on the train. Let's get on the train.
In the world, he used to Charlotte brownies.
Mateo, you're supposed to be sitting down. It was fun. Enzo, Enzo. Are you sure?
No, I want to go on another roller coaster.
Okay.
Wow.
Please step into the seat in front of you. Secure all loose articles, such as hats, so you can
I'm not scared. I'm not scared for this one.
clear. All clear.
Yeah! Kinda.
Woohoo! Ah, wait, hold on now. Okay, I gotta hold on to the rail because
Why?
I'm not into this. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Oh, this is. Oh hell no! Oh no! Oh, this is the last ride I'm getting on.
There's no railing for this. You can just fall off.
Okay.
You got this!
Oh my god.
Stop screaming! Stop screaming!
Oh my god. Oh no 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 no. Oh wow. Wow, that's crazy.
Why were you screaming like that?
Because I was scary.
You made me think that we're just gonna
Mateo,
fall off.
Mateo, were you scared? All right, you guys ready to meet Snoopy? Uh-oh, careful. Go ahead, Snoopy.
Nice big hugs. Perfect.